So in this video I want to show you quickly how you can use your Android phone or device to download our files and to use them with the Cricut app. So the Design Space app for Android. So let me go here. So typically when you order, you will get a confirmation you can download it. Well, if you want to go manually to download it, you click on this, go to View My Account, Downloads, and I apologize, this is actually not my real device. So you'll see all your downloads here. So I'm going to pick one of the files. Let's do the Christmas tree delivery box card. So right here you see there's a zip file. If you click on that, most of the time what it's going to do is download it into your files on your phone. So if I click on open, I'm now in files, and you'll see an extract right there. So you want to click on extract. So it's a zip file. So I'm going to click on extract, and you'll see all these. So you'll see the preview for the JPEG files, which are it just shows you product photos, sample product photos, and then a PDF file. So you can click on this PDF file that has information. You could use a viewer like this. So let's go back to files. And for these, they just preview. So let's go back. And one thing that I get a lot of emails from for Android users is if they click on SVG files, this is where all the SVG files are. If they click on this, they get this. So I'm going to, if you say open with photos or gallery, it's not going to open. A lot of people use gallery. I'm going to say just once, and you'll get this. That's because there's no preview capability within the Android. So you have to download an app for that, and I'll show you at the very end. So let me go back. So now they're extracted. We can go to the Cricut app once it's extracted. So to use Cricut with the files we just downloaded, we want to go ahead and open Cricut, the Cricut app, and click on New Project. And then you're going to click on Upload, select from Photo Library, and you're going to go to the files, My Files. And so at this point we're going to scroll to the file. So I'm looking for Christmas tree delivery card. I will scroll down. I just don't want to show you because they're the personal photos. So here are the files. So we have all the individual files. If you want to look at how the actual file is situated, you want to go ahead and look at the PDF file. But we're going to find the file that says, so we have Christmas tree. So we have complete files. So if you can find the complete file, you want to use that. You would use the solid line version for using the scorelines, and the non-solid line version, which is the one that doesn't say solid lines. That's just to cut the dash line. So we're going to use the solid line version because it's Cricut Design Space. I'm going to choose that. Go done. And then you'll see here, and we'll say Christmas delivery truck card. And then hit save up here. And then at this point you can select it, insert. If you need to look at the PDF file to confirm the size. But you can see the size if you look at, let's see, edit. You can see this, the width here, and the width is included in the PDF file. So at this point you would want to go ahead and ungroup it. And I'll do that really quick. Actions, ungroup. So different files are different ways. So this way, then now we have to take the, click at the, let's see, layers, and then over here we want to go ahead and find all the score lines. So you can see them kind of funky looking like that. So we go ahead and click on the score line. So we'll find this one. You see that's with that one. We can click on edit, and then under here where it says line type, click on that and say score and check mark. And we want to do that for all the score lines. Score. So I believe those are the only score lines. So you have to find all the score lines. And then once you do that, you can need to highlight the item right there and click on attach. And then go ahead and do this and attach. And if you don't attach the score lines, then they won't show up. So if you click on make it, and you flip through all these, you need to see the dash score lines. If they show up on a different mat, you haven't attached them. So that's the basics of using our SVG files with Android phone. So one last thing I want to show you is how to, an app that you can use to preview your SVG files on your Android that I found. So I found the SVG Viewer app through the Google Play Store, and you can go ahead, it'll ask you if you want to connect when you initially install to your gallery and photos, and you just say yes, and you can click on Explore. I'm going to go to Downloads because I know that's where it downloaded it. And again, these are personal photos, so I'm going to find it real quick. So here's the folder with the Christmas tree delivery truck, and then you'll see it previews the actual images, and then if you come over here, you'll see the SVG files are previewed. So that's it. So hopefully that'll help a couple of my Cricut Android users. If you have any additional questions, I don't have an Android device, but I just verified that's working, and I'll put a link down below to the Cricut help content. Again, this is called SVG Viewer if you want to use that. Thanks for watching.